Number 1. Oasis Water Park. This park, set in a sprawling area of 7 acres, is touted to be one of the best in all of USA. Apart from the water park, there are 6 resort pools too for adventure seekers. Get a taste of the tropics in the Arizona desert, while you lounge around in the Oasis Wave Pool. Number 2. Wet n Wild Phoenix. Kids are going to have a gala time. The dizzying variety of rides here makes you spoilt for choice. The water slides are thrilling to say the least, so don't forget to get on the Serpentine Complex. There are also others that offer great adventure, including the Constrictor, Maximum Velocity, Tornado, and Phoenix Flyers. Number 3. Big Surf. The next water park, Big Surf, is one of the best for wave pools. Oh boy, just look at its size. It is the largest with 2.5 million gallons of water. While there's no lazy river ride here, there are tons of surfboards, boogie boards, and rafts that you can rent and have a whale of a time. For kids, there are joy rides like tipping tree frogs, otter slides, and more. Number 4. Golfland Sunsplash. The name itself has splash, so you know you're going to have a jolly good time. For those thunderous waves, there's the Thunder Bay Wave Pool. If your height is lower than 48 inch, you will be asked to wear life vests for protection. Your adrenaline will go skyrocketing on the Double Dare, Thunder Falls, Storm Rider, and the Sidewinder. Number 5. Point Hilton, Squaw Peak Resort. Set amidst the Phoenix Mountain Preserve, covering an area of 27 acres, this one can't be missed out. After all, there are 4 acres of pools with lazy river tubing and water slides. What's more, the 18-hole miniature golf course winds around this river, so you can visualize the sight. Hope you like this video. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel.